Howdy y'all, welcome to another video of me turning my abandoned family land into my future homestead. And in today's video, we're chopping some trees. My parents came up because they have been chopping trees for a long time and they offered to give me some help because these trees have really been blocking my solar panels and I need the space for the garden, so these trees had to go. So there's a video of my dad and mom taking down a tree. If you want to see the full video, you can always check out my YouTube channel at KFierceIRL. And until the next video, I'm going to see you guys later. Bye!